Welcome back to Rice.AI Code Room. Today we are tackling LeetCode 2463, minimum total distance traveled. Let's explain the problem. We are given an array of robot positions and an array of factory positions on the x-axis. Each factory comes with a limit on how many robots it can repair. Our goal is to assign every robot to a factory such that the total absolute distance traveled by all robots is minimized. In the example, we have robots at 0, 4, and 6, and factories at 2 and 6, each with a capacity of 2. We can send the first two robots to the factory at 2, and the third robot to the factory at 6, for a minimum total distance of 4. For our thought process, we use sorting and dynamic programming. First, we sort both the robots and the factories by their positions. Sorting is crucial because to minimize total distance, robots from left to right should ideally go to factories from left to right without crossing paths. We can define our DP state, dp of I, as the minimum cost to assign the first I robots to the factories we have processed so far. When we process a new factory, we can choose to assign k robots to it, up to its limit. When considering a factory at a specific position with a given limit, we update our DP array backwards, similar to the 1D knapsack problem, to avoid reusing the same factory multiple times in the same step. We iterate I backwards, representing the number of robots already assigned. Then, we iterate k from 1 up to the factory limit, representing how many new robots we will assign to this current factory. We keep a running sum of the cost, and update DP of I plus k with the minimum possible distance. Let's look at the implementation. First, we sort the robot array and the factory array in ascending order of their positions. We extract n as the number of robots and m as the number of factories. Then, we initialize a 1D DP array of size n plus 1. We fill it with a very large number, 1e18, representing infinity, to indicate unreachable states. The base case is DP of 0 equals 0, meaning the cost to assign 0 robots is 0. Next is the main DP loop. We iterate through each factory to get its position and capacity limit. Inside, we loop I backwards from n down to 0. If DP of I is infinity, we skip it. We initialize a running cost to 0. Then, we have an inner loop for k from 1 up to the factory limit, ensuring we don't exceed the total number of robots. We accumulate the absolute distance of moving the new robot to the factory, and update DP of I plus k. Finally, we return DP of n. Finally, the complexity analysis. The time complexity is O of m times n squared, where m is the number of factories and n is the number of robots. Sorting takes n log n plus m log m, but since m times n squared dominates, we simplify the overall time complexity to O of m times n squared. The space complexity is O of n, as we optimize the DP to use a single 1D array of size n plus 1. Thank you for watching.